This is a video review of the Fischer Audio's products, Equilibrium, Silver, and these are the Eternas. I don't have the box though. So let's start with the Equilibrium. Equilibrium wise, it's a right angle phone, so it goes in straight like that. Don't have to wear it over the ears. Well, you could though, but it may not be as pleasing, or it may extend out. The cables are quite flimsy, as you can feel here, but it feels better than the Eternas, which is actually really stiff. So yeah, plus there is stress relief here, so in case you were to pull it or tug it, you don't break off from the phone itself. The flanks though are not really good quality. As you can see, they are soft, really soft. This is without the flanks. I don't know if you can see the grills though. Looks pretty though. The packaging just comes like this. Phones, plastic to hold the cable, and paper, and just two extra flanks which actually are taped up, and a pouch. Alright, moving on. This is the silver bullet. It comes just like this, earphones, some extra flanks here, or tips, sorry. Nothing much, very minimal packing, and the phone itself. So it comes in a chrome casing. The tips feels a little bit better, but not that much. This is a comparison. Why is it not that much better? Because this is the Ultimate Ears flanks. It feels much better. Doesn't feel so soft. Doesn't feel cheap in a way. Okay, so this is it. So this is another one that actually put right in like this instead of over the ear. Again, you could do it, but I don't think anybody would. So people prefer like just plugging it into your ear holes. This will be one for you. This and the Equilibrium. So this is how it looks like without the flanks. Looks like a nozzle though. One thing bad about this that I can see from here is actually the fact that there's no stress relief. So if you were to tug it hard enough, it may break off. I don't want to try it now here because I want to listen to it. But the tips, the replacement tips are a bit better. They are much more firm. See, Ultimate Ears. Normal tips. Alright, so last of all we have the Eternas, which actually I don't have the box with me now. I'm using the PL30's foam tip. Doesn't come with the default tips that comes with the IEMs. So this one is actually a special one. You have to put it over your ears, and it goes in like this. This is the left one, so it looks something like this. It flushes right in though, so it's not so bad. It has the stress relief, and the cables are a bit more thicker in a sense. So here it is. So why this cord here is actually quite useful. But as you can see, it's stiff. The cables are stiff. It's slightly much better because they're thinner. This is comparison. This is the PL30. So yeah, let's put it side by side and you can see for yourself. So equilibrium, silver bullet, PL30, and the Eternas. Compared side by side, PL30's the build quality is cheap. It's a very cheap plasticky kind of feeling, but it works well. This feels a bit much more well made. On par with like Sennheiser and stuff like that. So you don't see any flaws, or it feels okay. So aesthetically it's much more pleasing than this, which looks a bit like a device we should put into Deaf Man's ear or something like that. Alright, so that's it. That's the comparison of the few products that they have.